and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. Thank you for coming to watch today's video. If you're new, welcome. My name is Ashley and I'm a homeschooling mom of 4, and I share all about motherhood, homeschooling, a little bit of fitness like today's video sprinkled in there. Today I'm going to be doing a full day of eating for you guys with a super easy, delicious dinner recipe at the end. High in protein, can be easily modified to meet all types of dietary restrictions. So I hope you guys enjoy just seeing what I eat in a day. I do want to thank today's video sponsor. It is Bellway. I'm continuing to work with Bellway in 2022 because I love their fiber products. They have truly helped me in so many ways, and many of you guys who have shared that with me. So I'm going to be showing you guys a new flavor that I received from Bellway here in a second as a part of my morning routine when I'm taking my supplements and vitamins. But I just wanted to let you guys know they've partnered with me again, and I'm super thankful for that. Okay, so I just finished eating breakfast, and so now I'm going to take my vitamins and supplements. I have the kids all laid out as well. But today, because I don't take the same things every single day, just personal preference there, but today I am taking a vitamin C gummy, some elderberry plus zinc gummies, and then I have this B3 and B12. That is what I am taking as far as vitamins this morning after eating. I always recommend taking supplements on once you've had some food. And then I am gonna take my Bellway fiber. I've shown you guys some other tricks for really mixing in fiber, but you can also just put it in a, like a protein shaker with the little mixing whisk in there and shake it up really well. So I got 2 different ones this month. I got super fiber plus fruit in the mixed berry, and then this is just my tried and true favorite, the raspberry lemon. So this is just fiber and fruit. They do have one that has collagen in it. But a lot of you guys have said you've seen Bellway at your favorite retailers, and it's super exciting to see such a wonderful fiber supplement on the shelves of your favorite store. However, I do have a discount code for you guys down below that you can only use when you order through the link and use the discount code. So if you've never heard of Bellway, this is the best tasting fiber supplement out there. I stand by it 110%. It is so mixable, which is so important for fiber. Like I said, the raspberry lemon is my absolute favorite, but the mixed berry and the lime is also good. And I do think they're getting ready to launch some new flavors, so look out on Bellway's website if you want to try a new flavor. So a lot of people don't realize that most Americans' diet is extremely lacking in fiber, and fiber is a critical component to having good heart health. It also is so important for your gut, which is the basis of your immune system. And so having a diet high in fiber is beneficial for so many things, not to mention your hair, your nails, your skin, bloating, discomfort, irregularity, all those things, hugely important to feeling your best. And fiber is one of those things that you need. Now, a lot of people will say, well, I eat a lot of fruits and vegetables, so I probably don't need fiber. Maybe that's true for you, but just so you guys know, you do have to eat about 10 mixed green, like super green. I'm talking spinach, kale, arugula, like the green, not iceberg lettuce. 10 green salads per day to get your recommended daily amount of fiber that's recommended by the American Heart Association, because there are so many correlations with heart health, high blood pressure, and a lack of fiber in the diet. So I want to encourage you guys to add fiber into your daily routine. If you are new to taking fiber, there's recommended doses on the back of Bellway, and it explains how to take it. I'm going to give you a little insider tip here. Build up to the full recommended serving over the course of maybe a month, I would say. It can really be a shock to your system, especially if you're someone who really hasn't been consuming a lot of fiber, and it takes a little while for your body to adjust to it. So start slow with maybe half a scoop, work up to a full scoop, and then work up to the full recommended amount. You can take it Bellway any time of day. I just personally like to take it in the morning. I'm more consistent when I'm doing it that way. So I will have a link and a discount code for you guys down below for Bellway. You definitely should check them out. Adding fiber to your diet will only benefit you. There's really nothing negative that can come out of it. And plus, Bellway is made with super awesome ingredients, no sugar, gluten-free, 100% vegan. It's psyllium husk fiber and a prebiotic fiber supplement to help regulate digestion. And so there's a lot of benefits right on the back that you guys can check out when you place your order. But I love my Bellway and I wanted to share it with you guys. So thank you so much, Bellway, for continuing to sponsor content on my channel so I can share awesome things that will only aid in health with all of you guys. Okay guys, it's about 10:45 and all I've had is that breakfast that you saw. That's why I always eat a pretty filling breakfast. I am not someone who wakes up and like doesn't want to eat. I'm starving in the morning. So anyway, it's 10:45 and I'm having my first snack of the day, which is going to be a protein bar. I'm also going to refill my hydro flask here. This one I think is 40. Yes, this is a 40-ounce one. In the colder months, I definitely struggle to drink like tons of water. In summer, I'll easily go through 4 of these, and that's because I'm hot. And in the winter, I'm just not quite as thirsty, but water is still super important. So I still will try to get through 2, if not 3 of these in a day. And then I'll drink tea, which I definitely count towards water. I don't count coffee towards water, but yeah, tea I do. So one of the tricks that I've been doing, because like I said, I'm struggling sometimes to drink enough water, are these True lemonade packs. I just drink so much water that sometimes I am just bored of the taste. So I'll put in fresh lemons, fresh limes. I even did like oranges the other day and kind of like infuse my water, but then sometimes I really like these. So I'm gonna add one of these to my hydro before we go upstairs and continue working on homeschool, but this is like morning snack break, so I wanted to share with you guys what I'm having. All right guys, it is about 12:20 now and I just made myself some lunch. Usually you guys know, if you watch a lot of my videos, I try to meal prep and have like leftovers either from dinner the night before or something I've actually prepared for myself to eat through the week while homeschooling, just so I'm eating a good high protein balanced diet. However, I don't have any meal preps in the fridge right now. Tonight's dinner will cure that. I'm gonna make a big amount, so I have some. So I'm gonna show you guys what I made today when I was kind of in a pinch and needed something quick for lunch. Here I just have some sliced cucumbers and a little hummus cup. On here I have, this is a Dave's Killer Bagel, so they have about 12 grams of protein in them, and then I just have about 2 to 3 ounces of turkey, some lettuce, mustard, and then the Chosen mayo, just a tiny bit. I'm not a huge mayo person, but I like a little bit of that one. So that is what I am having for lunch today. All right, it is 2 o'clock now. We finished up school. I'm about to get a little work done, and this is when I like to make an afternoon cup of coffee. I just use just regular espresso and some oat milk. That's what's in there. And then these packaged snacks are left over from our Disney World trip, but these Made Good granola minis are super good. And then I'm just having some almonds. So that's gonna be my little afternoon snack to hold me over until I get done working out. Then I'll have a protein shake, but I am gonna have this now while I work before I work out. So a little afternoon pick-me-up right here, and this is what I'm having. Okay, you guys, I just finished working out. It's about 5 o'clock, and I am preparing dinner. I'm gonna have this Orgain plant protein shake. There's no dairy, no soy, and it's gluten-free. So these are some of my favorite like pre-made shakes for something quick. And I am going to make dinner. As promised, I'm gonna give you guys an easy recipe, but I do have to give a few disclaimers first. Number one, my friend told me about making this dinner, so if you're watching this, thank you for this recipe. I have tweaked it a little to make it easier and to feed more people. Also, I don't remember who the original recipe person was that she got it from, so I cannot give credit where credit is due, but I have put the Ashley twist on it, and I will show you guys what I am making for dinner for just another easy, high-protein dinner idea for your family. First, in the pressure cooker, I have baked potatoes. For the kids. I probably won't have a baked potato tonight, but I've just got them in there cooking. Now, over here, basically, so this is the organic chicken breast pack from Costco, the huge one. I am cooking it all because, like I said, I want meal prep. Now, this recipe is better when you grill your chicken first and then just add your toppings and sauces and put it in the oven to broil. However, grilling and Jake being at work today, I'm just gonna bake it, so I think it turns out fine that way. It's just, it is better grilled, so I'll just put out that disclaimer. So what you want to do is take your chicken breasts, you want to slice them in half so they're thin. You want to just season your chicken. All I do is a little garlic powder and pepper, so that's all that's on the chicken right now. Then you're going to need some diced Roma tomatoes, some green onion. I thought I had more Roma tomatoes than I did, so Rotel to the rescue. You're gonna need some barbecue sauce. As you can see, I'm running out of barbecue sauce. Make sure, you guys, if you are trying to be healthy and feed your family well, that it's upside down, and I don't wanna turn it the other way because I don't want the sauce to all go. No sugar added. Barbecue sauce can easily have as much sugar as a candy bar in it, so definitely make sure of that. I am out of barbecue sauce, and I do think the recipe is better with like a hickory barbecue sauce, but I had a little bit of this Carolina Gold left over, so I'm just gonna have to use that. So, but it is better with this. So if you try it, use like brown barbecue sauce. So once you get your chicken in, you're gonna take your barbecue sauce, you're gonna drizzle it all over top the chicken. Then you're going to add your green chilies on top of the chicken. However many will kind of decide how spicy it is. Then you're gonna add your tomatoes all over top your chicken. After that, you're going to add bacon. Now you could cook bacon and dice it fresh. I have this 100% real bacon crumbles from Costco, so I'm gonna add bacon on top of the chicken, and then you're gonna sprinkle it with cheese, or if you're doing dairy-free, you can leave it without cheese, and then add your green onion to the top with the cheese and broil it for the last 5 minutes. I am gonna cook my chicken in the oven with foil covering it for 45 minutes at 350, and then I will take the foil off, I will add the cheese and green onion, and then I will broil it for an additional 5 minutes. So about an hour on this chicken. So I have got to get this in the oven, no more talking, but I wanted to share that recipe with you guys. That will be the last thing that I have for to eat today, except a cup of tea. I'll have tea later tonight. I'm gonna drink this now, have that later, and I will have mine with just some mixed greens, and that's what we will be having for dinner. The kids will have baked potato and a little bit of salad, and that'll be a wrap on this full day. This is what the chicken looks like before. I'm gonna cover it with the foil. It's got the bacon, the tomatoes, the green chilies, the barbecue sauce, and it's seasoned. If you wanted to grill it, like I mentioned, you would grill your chicken completely, cook it all the way, and then just put this stuff on and broil it to melt the cheese. But since I'm baking these, I'm gonna cover them with foil. And then I still have the green onion left out and the cheese that I'll be adding. I will probably add pepper jack, but you could add any kind of cheese that you like. Or maybe I'll do like a Mexican shredded cheese on one of them. So yeah, but any kind of cheese you want, and it is super, super good. So here is how the chicken turned out when it's all baked. I did when I removed the foil, there was a lot of liquid from the tomatoes cooking down and the barbecue sauce. So I went ahead and dumped that out before I broiled it. That is kind of what you avoid when you grill it. So, I mean, if you don't mind, then that's fine. But I did drain that from the pan. So it looks really good and super easy. So I hope you guys like the recipe. Again, I can't credit who it originally came from, but it's really good. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching this full day of eating. I hope it gave you some quick and easy healthy ideas for your family. I hope you enjoyed that dinner recipe. Let me know if you guys try it. Make sure to check out the links to Bellway. All that will be down below, and I will see you guys in my next one really soon. Bye, guys.